my dear friends. Welcome back to our English learning family. I am so happy to see you today. Today, we will learn a very important skill. We will learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is called self-introduction. Knowing how to introduce yourself is useful for making new friends. It is useful for job interviews. It is useful when you travel to new places. In this video, we will use the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you will listen to me and then you will repeat after me. Just like a shadow follows you, you will follow my words. This will help your English speaking. It will help your pronunciation. And it will give you more confidence. Remember, do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. I am here to help you. I am here with you. Let us begin our English journey together. Let us start with the most important sentences. These sentences are the foundation. The foundation is the base. We will build your English on this strong base. The first sentence is about your name. Please repeat after me when I ask you to. Ready? Let's start. Say this with me. My name is. Again, please. My name is. Very good. Now let's use this in a full sentence. Please repeat after me. My name is Ali. Excellent. Now, let's try another name. Please repeat after me. My name is Sarah. Wonderful. You are doing great. Now let's talk about where you are from. This is very important when you meet new people. Please repeat after me. I am from. Again, please. I am from. Good job. Now let's use this in a sentence. Please repeat after me. I am from Pakistan. Beautiful. Let's try another country. Please repeat after me. I am from India. Perfect. Your pronunciation is very good. Now let's put these two sentences together. This is a small conversation. Please repeat after me. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. Again, please. My name is Rash. I am from India. Excellent work. You are learning so fast. Now, let's learn with a story. Stories help us remember. This story is about a young man. His name is Ahmed. Today is a special day for Ahmed. It is his first day at a new English class. Ahmed feels nervous. Nervous means a little scared, but he also feels excited. He walks into the classroom. He sees the teacher. The teacher is very kind. She smiles at Ahmed. The teacher says, "Hello, what is your name?" Ahmed takes a deep breath. He says, "My name is Ahmed." The teacher smiles again. She says, "It is nice to meet you, Ahmed. Where are you from?" Ahmed feels more confident now. He says, "I am from Karachi." The teacher says, "Welcome to the class, Ahmed. Please sit down." Ahmed feels happy. He is proud of himself. He introduced himself in English. It was not so difficult. Now you know how to say your name and where you are from. This is very good. But we can make your introduction more interesting. Let's add more information. Let's talk about your job or your studies. Please repeat after me. I am a student. Again, I am a student. Now another one. I am a teacher. Good. And another. I am a doctor. Excellent. Now, let's talk about what you like. What are your hobbies? A hobby is something you enjoy doing for fun. Please repeat after me. I like watching movies. Again, I like watching movies. Now, another hobby. I like listening to music. Very good. One more. My hobby is reading books. Wonderful. You are learning so many new sentences. Now let's put everything together. This will be a complete introduction. Listen to me first. My name is Ali. I'm from Lahore. I'm a student. I like listening to music. Thank you. Now, it is your turn to repeat the complete introduction. Ready? Let's do it together. My name is Ali. I'm from Lahore. I'm a student. I like listening to music. Thank you. Fantastic. You just gave a complete self-introduction in English. You should be very proud of yourself. You have worked very hard. Let us review everything we learned today. We will go through all the main sentences one more time. Please repeat after me for this big review. Now, I have homework for you. Your homework is to practice. I want you to introduce yourself 5 times today. You can say it to your mirror. You can say it to your family. You can say it to your friend. The most important thing is to practice. Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. You did it. You completed this English lesson. I am so proud of you. You learned how to introduce yourself in English. You learned new words. You practiced with a story, and you did shadowing with me. Remember, confidence comes with practice, so please practice every day. In our next video, we will learn how to talk about your family. That will be very fun. We will learn words like mother, father, brother, and sister. Before you go, if you enjoyed this lesson, please help our channel. Please click the like button. It helps other students find this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way you will not miss our next lesson. Please share this video with your friends who also want to learn English. And most importantly, please comment below. Write your own self-introduction. You can write, "My name is," and "I am from." I will read your comments and I will reply. I love talking to you. Thank you for watching. You are an amazing student. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, my friend.